This is a 2009-86 Boxster S. I'm demonstrating how to install this center wind deflector. First thing to do is to pop off the trim on front of the roll bar and use a plastic trim piece. It's got these little things that pop in over there, and just use some force. Use a plastic trim piece to not scuff up your car, and they'll come off easily. You'll see that the kit comes with 6 rivets shown here, 2 of these things, and then the center piece. All these need to be riveted in. You'll see on this side over here that there are already holes right there for at least one of the rivets on the top piece. I'll show you how to lines up there and rivets in. I'm probably gonna have to just drill another little hole for these 2 right there. Note that the bottom center piece actually rivets to the padding itself, not to the roll bar. And then to reinstall all these little padded pieces, you're gonna wanna unscrew these little plastic, black plastic washers. What you do is these are the holes where they came out of the roll bar, and you're just gonna compress it a little bit. Push it back into the roll bar like that. And then the piece, once you line up the screws with the little holes, will just pop back into place, just like that. To insert the piece, you just lower the bottom onto the little middle center bracket and insert both sides into the respective channels, and voila, you're done.